2001 GMC 1500 5.3 liter V8. He's going to put a cam and a bunch of stuff that's coming to this truck. But for right now, it's got high flow cats there and there. Then it winds into a single there. Then it's got 2.5-inch pipe. And we added more 2.5-inch pipe and added the FLOWMASTER Outlaw right there. Part number 815425S. There's a FLOWMASTER Outlaw right there. And then 2.5-inch pipe out the back to the side, in front of the rear tire, into a sexy FLOWMASTER tip. You guys can see the FLOWMASTER up there? Yeah, right there. They just look really beautiful on these. Really party. Much better. Again? Sound test. Go ahead. Again. Right at 100, and that's over there. If it was over here, it'd be like 105, 107. You like it? It's perfect, huh? All right. Nice idle to it, too. GMC with FLOWMASTER Outlaw out the side with a dual tip, guys.